Okay, what I'm working on here today is a Chrysler 200. We have heat on the driver's side, yet on the passenger side it is very little. And what we're going to do today is back flush the heater core to get rid of that problem. Poquito caliente, no caliente. Okay, on the firewall of your car you have your two hoses going in to the heater core, and that's what we're going to disconnect. Before you disconnect it, you need to make absolutely sure that your engine is cold. You do not want to get burnt from the antifreeze. For disconnecting the hoses, you want to put a catch pan underneath, because a small amount of antifreeze will leak out. That is toxic to animals as well as an environmental hazard. Both the inlet and the outlet hose, I put a locking pliers on there to collapse the hose to keep the antifreeze from pouring out, so we won't have such a mess. Next, I'll take and remove the clamps on the heater core itself. Okay, what I'm going to do to back flush it is I have a hose attachment here with a little valve on there, and then I put a little piece of PEX plumbing on there, and I'm going to insert it into this hose here, connect this to the heater core, and this is hooked up to my washing machine, hot water, and I'm going to back flush it with hot water. Okay, I have my water hose going in there. I'm going to flush it forward and backwards. I have another hose connected going into a bottle here to collect the antifreeze. I have a bucket here. I'll show you what I poured out of there. And you're going to want to do that until all the water is clean, and as you can see there's a few little chunks floating around in there. Okay, I completely emptied our 50-gallon hot water heater. I believe it's flushed out pretty well, so we'll reconnect the heater hoses. There is markings on the hoses, top and bottom. Now that the hoses are connected, I'm going to take the vice grips off there and reinstall the clamps. Now that I have the clamps put on the heater hoses there may be a chance that there's some air trapped inside the heater core. So what we'll do is we'll start the car, get it up to operating temperature, and then in a safe area we'll go ahead and accelerate very hard. That'll push the air out of the heater core and should be good to go from there.